Yes. Now, what is an exponential functions? What are the types of questions they are asked in SAT? Everything I'm going to discuss with you. So before even starting, I want you to know two terminologies in this. One is x-intercept and second is y-intercept and y-intercept. This is not only for exponential function. This is applicable for any function that exists in this world. So suppose this is a linear function, this is a quadratic function, this is an exponential function. Take anything. So what is the meaning of x-intercept? X-intercept means the point where the given graph is touching x-axis. The point where the given graph is touching x-axis. The point where the given graph is touching x-axis. That is said to be x-intercept. How do you find x-intercept? Just plug in y is equal to 0. How do you find x-intercept? Just plug in y is equal to 0. That is how you find x-intercept. How do you find y-intercept? To find y-intercept, so what is y-intercept? This is y-intercept, the point where the graph is touching y-axis. This is the y-intercept, this is the y-intercept, this is the y-intercept, this is the y-intercept. How do you find y-intercept? Just plug in x is equal to 0. So the simple first terminology is x-intercept and y-intercept. Suppose if I have a function like y is equal to 2 power x, and if I ask you what is y-intercept, so what will you do? You will plug in x is equal to 0 in the function, because I clearly told you what is the meaning of y-intercept. The value of y when x is equal to 0. So try to plug in x is equal to 0 in this. So y is equal to 2 power 0. So 2 power 0 is 1. So 0 comma 1 is your answer. Understand? Yeah. So if I have like y is equal to 2 into x minus 3 whole square plus 5. If I need to find y-intercept for this, I'll plug in x is equal to 0. Therefore, y-intercept is 2 into minus 3 square plus 5. 18 plus 5, 23. So 0 comma 23. Okay? Yeah. So y-intercept is the value of y when x is equal to 0. That is the meaning of y-intercept. Now, x-intercept. Understood, right? Yeah. So y-intercept means you just need to plug in x is equal to 0 here, as simple as that. If I want to find x-intercept, you just need to plug in y equal to 0. Suppose if the function is y is equal to 2x plus 3. If I want to find x-intercept means nothing, the point where the graph is intersecting x-axis, this point. Just plug in y equal to 0. 0 equal to 2x plus 3. 2x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 by 2. So this point is minus 3 by 2 comma 0. Or if I have some other function, y is equal to x minus 3 whole square minus 16. If I want to find x-intercept for this function, put y equal to 0. 0 is equal to x minus 3 whole square minus 16. So x minus 3 whole square is equal to 16. X minus 3 is plus or minus 4. X minus 3 is equal to 4, or x minus 3 is minus 4. Therefore, x is equal to 7, or x is equal to minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to 7, or x is equal to x is equal to 7, or x is equal to, what is this? Where is this? Yeah, x is equal to minus 1. So these are said to be my x-intercepts. These are said to be my x-intercepts. Okay. Yeah. Now everyone in the class is clear what is the meaning of x-intercept and y-intercept. If still anyone has doubt, you can just message me in the chat box. I'll try to explain. For any function, either exponential, quadratic, linear, whatever it is, whenever I ask x-intercept, you just need to plug in y equal to 0. Whenever I ask y-intercept, you just need to plug in x is equal to 0 and understand what is the meaning of x-intercept. The meaning of x-intercept is the point where the graph intersects the x-axis, and the meaning of y-intercept is the point where the graph intersects the y-axis. As simple as that. Okay. The point that I'm explaining is clear now. Everyone understood? Very good. Now, let me move on to the next point that I would like to convey to you. So the next point that I would like to convey to you is square root of a function. Next concept in exponential functions is square root of a function. So many students don't know this. When I say don't know this means, if I ask you what is square root of 9, everyone will say plus or minus 3, or most of you will say plus or minus 3. Wrong. Square root of 9 is only 3. Why? Because square root is a function, it should give only one definite output. It can't give either plus 3 or minus 3. Lot of difference between plus 1 crore minus 1 crore. If you say I have plus 1 crore, you have 1 crore rupees if you are a rich person. If you say minus 1 crore, if you say minus 1 crore, you have 1 crore of debt with you, which you are in doubtful situation. Okay? Yeah. Now, square root of 9 is only plus 3. Please do remember, square root of any number is only positive. It is not negative. So in SAT exams, I see that some questions based on the square root comes. And 99% of you will make mistakes if you don't follow these rules. Suppose if I have a question like this, square root of 2x plus 3, everyone just read the question. What is all the solution? What is the set of all solutions to the equation square root of 2x plus 3 is equal to minus x? I have some question on the board. Some question I can see it on the board. Correct, right? Yeah. So when I see that question, what is the answer? This is how generally 99% of the students will do. So square root of 2x plus 3 is equal to minus x. Then you will do square on both sides. 2x plus 3 is equal to x square. Bring this onto this side. X square minus 2x minus 3 is 0. So then you will factorize x square minus 3x plus x minus 3 is 0. Then you will take common terms. Then x plus 1 into x minus 3 is 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to 3. So x is equal to minus 1 comma 3. You got some answer. You'll be very happy because you can see the first option itself minus 1 comma 3, and you will mark and you will expect you'll get 800, not 800. Even 750 would be difficult because you'll make many more mistakes if you are making mistake in this question. So this is wrong. Then you might ask me, boss, you just did everything and you got minus 1 comma 3, and how can you say this is wrong? Yes, this is wrong because the answer that I got here, when you see this, the answer that I got here is the solution of this one. It is not the solution of this one. You are squaring, you are doing many modifications to that. So then how to find solution of this? You just need to remember the concept that I explained it to you. What is the concept I explained it to you? Square root of a number is always positive. Now, I know one of these is my answer. So now I'll try to plug in from the options. Now try to plug in minus 1. Square root of 2 into minus 1 plus 3 is my left hand side, and my right hand side is minus of minus 1. Left hand side is minus 2 plus 3. Left hand side is square root of 1. Right hand side is 1. So square root of 1 is 1. Yes, square root of 1 is 1, which is correct. So 100% minus 1 should be an answer. Cancel all the options that do not contain minus 1. So C and D went off. Now I want to know whether 3 is the solution or not. So I'll try to plug in 3 in the options. 2 into 3 plus 3 is equal to minus 3. Square root of 9 is equal to minus 3. Square root of 9 is only 3. 3 is equal to minus 3 is meaningless. So 3 cannot be the answer. So cancel all the options that have 3. So answer is only B for Bangalore. Most important concept. Simple. So B for Bangalore is your answer. Understand? So whenever you get square root questions, no need to use your brain at all. What you need to do, you just need to plug in the answers. Just plug in the answers and check which option is satisfying. The moment that answer is satisfying, that should be your answer. So when I substitute minus 1, it is satisfying. So I'm canceling 3 and this. When I'm substituting 3, it is not satisfying. So I should cancel this. So the only option that is left is B for Bangalore. So that should be my answer. Okay. Yeah, let me do one more question with you. So with the concept that I explained right now, let me see how many of you have understood. Try to give me answer for question number 3. Try to give me answer for question number 3. For question number 3, whatever you feel like you can give me. I'm going to explain it to you. Type your answer in the chat box. Whatever you feel like answer for question number 3, you can just type that question number 3 in the chat box. I just gave you one question on the whiteboard based on the concept that I explained it to you just now. So whatever you feel like, whether it is whatever it is, you just type that answer in the chat box. Square root of x square is equal to x. Which of the following is not a solution to the equation above? Which of the following is not a solution to the equation above? Sidhu, many people have typed the answers. Abhinav, Mahi, Likita, Likit, Siri, Sharat, Lasya, Sidhu, Bharani, Samhit, Divya, Siri again changed the answer. Okay, so people should not type different answers. I just explained it to you. What I explained it to you, square root of a number can never be negative. So if at all you take -3, my right hand side is square root of -3 square, which is root of 9, which is equal to 3. Sorry, my left hand side answer is 3, but the right hand side answer is -3. Can 3 be equal to -3 in this world? 3 can be never be equal to -3 in this world. So this is a wrong answer. Now you take 0. The moment you take 0, join the session. Session, join. If you take 0, so definitely 3 is the answer, because which of the following is not a solution? 3 cannot be the solution. So -3 cannot be the solution. So A for Agra is answer. People who typed B, why B can't be the answer? Just see here. Square root of 0 square is 0. 0 is equal to 0. 100% 0 can be answer. Square root of 2 square is my left hand side, which is 2, and the right hand side is also 2. So 2 is equal to 2. Who said 5 by 4? So 5 by 4 whole square is my left hand side. When I simplify root of 5 by 4 whole square, it is 5 by 4, and my right hand side is also 5 by 4. So 5 by 4 is equal to 5 by 4. So definitely D for Delhi should be my D for Delhi cannot be answer. C for Chennai. So the option that should be correct here is -3 should be my perfect answer. What should be the perfect answer? -3 should be the perfect answer. Understand? Clear? So next concept. What is the first concept that I explained it to you today? X-intercept and Y-intercept. What is the next concept I'm explaining it to you? Square root of a number. So we know what is the meaning of X-intercept. The value of X when Y equal to 0. What is Y-intercept? The value of Y when X is equal to 0. What is the meaning of square root? Positive number. That's it. If you remember this, if you can remind this in your mind and you can apply, you're confident you can solve the questions based on these 3 concepts what I explained it to you right now. Okay, if required, we'll solve more questions. There are many more questions. I'll give it to you. Even I'll open the actual papers and we'll solve them here. I think there is one more question here. Please solve. Not exactly. Yeah, but there are some questions based on the x-intercept and y-intercept. Let me see. This is my own handwriting here, so don't worry. I'll send you. Which is the following model best in the scatter plot? Something they give. Yeah. Yeah. Let me see how many of you can give me answer for question number 6. It is there on the concept what I explained right now: x-intercept, y-intercept, and square root of a number. Based on that only, whatever the concepts I explained so far, based on that only you can solve this question. No new concept are required. Let me see how many of you can solve this answer. Try to solve question number 6. Huh? Yeah. Okay, some of you have done this, some of you are struggling. So see how easily I can solve. So the y-intercept of this graph is 5. Clearly the graph is intersecting y-axis at 5. So this point is 0, 5. So I'll put y is my f of x, which is g of x or f of x. 5 is equal to 2c into d power 0. 5 is equal to 2c. C is equal to 5 by 2. See how simple is this. You just need to be smart. If you know what is the meaning of x-intercept and y-intercept, happily you can solve this question. You just need to know. So it's simple, right? Yeah. Now next question. Fourth question is also there, is on the concept I explained to you. Let me see how many of you can give me answer for question number 4. Very good. So fourth question is also based on the concept. So far I explained it to you. If you know what is x-intercept and y-intercept and square root, definitely happily. The graph of the function, exponential function, I mean the xy plane has a y-intercept of 2p, and where is a p? Which of the following could define function f? So they're saying y-intercept is 2p. So y-intercept is 2p. So y-intercept means the value of y. One more concept I need to explain it to you. Y or f of x or g of x or h of x all meant y only. This meant y, this meant y, this meant y. Y means nothing, output. This is my y-axis, this is my x-axis. X is always input, y is always my output. Y can also be referred by f of x or g of x or h of x. All meant the same. So which of the following could define the function m? So that is m of x. It's saying y-intercept is 2p. When I put x is equal to 0, I should get 2p. Put x is equal to 0, I get -4. Put x is equal to 0, I get 0. Put x is equal to 0, I get 0. Put x is equal to 0, I get 2p. So happily D for Delhi should be my answer. So D for Delhi should be my answer. Understand? Simple. Very simple. That is what I'm doing. Let me see how many have had given me D for Delhi as answer. Divya, Alok, Vanilla, Abhinav, Likit, Samhit, Abhiram, Aditya, Abhinav, Siri, Mahi. So all these students have given me D for Delhi as answer. Even others who did not do. Simple, yeah. You know, you are not requiring any hi-fi concepts. Simple, basic concepts. If you do that, you will get the answers. As simple as that. Okay. Yeah. No. Let me see if there is any other question based on only the concept that I explained it to you. Okay. So there is no more question in this, but I'll send you more questions for practice. You can do them. So the next concept I would like to do is there are some formulas in exponential functions, which everyone should know those formulas. What is the first formula and most important formula is a power m by n is equal to nth root of a power m. For example, x power 5 by 3. Follow this. Cube root of x power 5. Y power 10 by 7. Seventh root of y power 10. So most important formula, a power m by n can also be written as nth root of a power m. Nth root of a power m. Okay. Yeah, and we also have some few basic formulas. Most of you knows a power m into a power n. If the base is same, powers can be added is the next formula. A power m by a power n is a power m minus n. A power m by a power n is a power m minus 2. A power m by a power n is can be written as a power m minus n. Come by 5 amma. So a power m by a power n is a power m minus n. So these three formulas you should know. If you know these, you might get one more question. So far only total 4 concepts: x-intercept, y-intercept, square root, and these formulas. Only 4 concepts I taught you. Using the 4 concepts, we can do these questions. Suppose based on this concept, let me show you what are the questions that are can be asked. Yeah, these are all can be asked. Everything can be asked. Okay. Yeah. Now do this first question. Suppose let us see everyone x power 7 by 2. Which of the following is equivalent to x power 7 by 2 where x is greater than 0? Which of the following is equivalent to x power 7 by 2 where x is greater than 0? So if I'm the student, how simply I'll solve this? Everyone should solve. Type your answer in the chat box. So many are giving answers. They gave some answer, some answer. Very good, very good. Most of you has given me answer. So what is the answer for this? I just discovered a power m by n should be. Oh yeah, very good, very good. Yeah. Okay, perfect. So most of you had given me answer. So a power m by n is nth root of a power m. So x power 7 by 2 is square root of x power 7. So that is same as square root of, because not this itself is square root. So no need to have this number again. So square root of x power 7. So C for Chennai should be my answer. Some people by mistake they'll write D for Delhi. No, right? This is a power m by n. So it should be same as root of x power 7. So root and 2 both are same. So answer should be square root of x power 7 should be my answer. Perfect answer. Yeah. Now let us see more questions just on this. Yeah. Try to give me answer for 8th question. Based on the formulas that I explained it to you right now, we can solve 8th question. Question number 8. So what are the formulas? Let us go back to the formulas once. 3 formulas: a power m by n, a power m into a power n. You can also, if you are interested, a power m whole power n is a power m n. Even this formula also you can add to the group: a power m by n, a power m to the power of n, a power m by a power n, a power m into a power n. 4 formulas. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So try to solve 8th one.
Sir, can you go up to the graph?
The 8th one is not related to the graph. Question number 8, Siri.
Oh, okay, sir.
So question number 8. 8 is not related to the graph. If 5x minus 3y is 10, what is the value of 32 to the power of x divided by 8 to the power of y? 5x minus 3y is 10. What is the value of 32 to the power of x divided by 8 to the power of y. Yeah, just tell me answer. So some of you are given, some of you are struggling. See how simple is this? No need to get confused there. I can write 32 as 2 power 5 whole to the power of x. I can write 8 as 2 to the power of 3 whole to the power of y. So this can be written as 2 power 5x. This can be written as 2 power 3y. So this can be written as 2 power 5x minus 3y. 2 to the power of 5x minus 3y is 10. So 2 power 10 is my answer. So when I look into the options, none of the options are available. So you think Venkat did some mistake. No, here I did correct. So option A is 2 power 6. 2 power 6 is not same as 2 power 10. Option B is 4 power 5. 4 can be written as 2 square whole to the power of 5, which is 2 power 10. So 4 power 5 is same as 2 power 10. You just need to know the formulas that I taught to solve this question. So answer for this is B for Bangalore. So who could not solve or who find it difficult to solve, just see the steps I did it here. You will be able to do. Nothing is difficult. Only thing is you just need to apply the basics that I'm explaining it to you. Next question. Let me erase this and let me solve the next question. Yeah, you can also do question number 9. Question number 9. So simple, everyone should solve. So they gave a as 7 into root 3. 3a is 3 into 7 root 3 into is equal to root 3x can be written as root 3 into root x. So 21 root 3 is equal to root 3 into root x. Root x is 21. So x is 21 square, which is 441. So D for Delhi should be my answer. See how simple are the questions here. No question is difficult. We should not make them complicated. If you are finding difficult, I'll share this video after the class. You can watch this video again and again so that you'll become perfect. Try to give me answer for 11th question. 1 second. Let me see the question. Yeah. First, try to give me answer for this 11th question. Question number 11. So very good. So people have been typing answers. So x power p square minus q square is x power 64. So when bases are same, power should be equal. So p square minus q square should be equal to p square minus q square should be equal to 64. What is p square minus q square? P minus q into p plus q, which is equivalent to 64. P plus q is 16. So p minus q is p minus q is 64 by 16, which is 4. So 4 should be my answer. Okay, 4 should be my answer. Okay, yeah, 4 should be my perfect answer. Next question. Questions would be simple. It all depends on how we approach the questions. So 4, right? Yeah. Next model. Try to give me answer for 18th one. Which of the following is equivalent to 16 power 3 by 4? Which of the following is equivalent to 16 power 3 by 4? Which of the following is equivalent to 16 power 3 by 4? So they mentioned 4 options. Cube root of 16 to the power of 4, fourth root of 16, 4 root 4, 8 root 2. They mentioned 4 options. All the 4 options I mentioned here. So which of the following is equivalent to this? Just type your answer in the chat box. You can use in the formulas that I gave it to you. You can solve this. Just those 3-4 formulas. A power m into a power n, a power m by a power n, a power m whole power n. Mostly these formulas and a power m by n. Using these formulas, you can solve this. 3 students gave me answer. Abhinav, Vanilla, and is this Likit? They gave me answers. Yeah, even others, just type your answers faster. See here, students who are struggling, right? How easy or how simple to solve this? It is very easy. It's very easy to solve this. So 16 can be written as 2 power 4 whole to the power of 3 by 4. This can be written as 2 power 4 into 3 by 4. 4 4 khatam. Now we left with 2 cube. 2 cube is equal to 8. So my final answer should be 8. Okay. So now simplify the first option. When I simplify the first option, I get cube root of 16 power 4 by 3. So 16 power 4 by 3 is not 8. Next option is, see here, I'm writing on the board, you might get confused. Cube root of 16 to the power of 4. So this can be written as 16 to the power of 4 by 3. I can't simplify this further. Even if you want to simplify, you'll write 16 as 2 power 4, 2 power 4, 4 by 3. This becomes 2 power 4 into 4 by 3, which is same as 2 power 16 by 3, which is not 8. So this is cancelled out. Now see the second option. Fourth root of 16. Fourth root of 16. 16 to the power of 1 by 4. 16 can be written as 2 power 4. 2 power 4 to the power of 1 by 4. 2 power 4 into 1 by 4, which is 2, which is not 8, so wrong. Now see the next option. 4 into root of 4. 4 into square root of 4. 4 into square root of 4 can be written as 2. 4 into 2 is 8. So 8 is my answer. So which is C for Chennai should be my perfect answer. See how simple is this. So C for Chennai is my perfect answer. Okay. Yeah. So far what we discussed simple models. I discussed x-intercept, y-intercept, square root, and the formulas. That's it. Now, next and the most important and the most difficult. If I give that question without explaining, 90% of you will make mistakes. So let me give you one question just to make you understand how easy or how difficult they would be. Then I'll explain you the concept. Then you will enjoy. Most important, you'll get some word problem we need to do. So there are two more concepts to explain. Definitely I'll explain, but let me give you one question. Yeah, if this is a question, try to solve question number 1 here. Whatever you feel like, you type, you give me answer. I'm not asking you to give me the correct answer. Read the question, type whichever the option is correct according to you. Please do type that option here. Then I'll explain you how to solve. Then you will definitely appreciate the way I'm teaching you, and you'll be able to solve that method. A TV channel currently has 3000 subscribers. If the number of subscribers doubles every 3 months, which of the following function P gives the number of subscribers TV channel will have T years from now? Option A is P of T is equal to 2 into 3000 to the power of T by 4. Option B is P of T is equal to 3000 into 2 power T. Option C is P of T is equal to 3000 into 2 power 4T. Option D is P of T equal to 3000 into 2 to the power of T by 4. So we have four options. Whichever you feel like, you just read the question and type the answer in the chat box. Then I'll explain you how to solve these models. You'll definitely get one model. Next model I'm explaining you is word problems based on exponential functions. Word problems based on the exponential functions. Word problems based on exponential functions. Most important and most difficult. Very people will be able to solve this. Next model, x-intercept, y-intercept, square root, formulas. Now word problems based on the exponential functions. Okay, some of you have solved. I think 7 students gave some answer. I don't know whether it is right or wrong. Abhinav gave D, Divya gave A, Abhiram gave C, Mahi gave A, Siri gave C, Likit gave me answer as D, Siri C, Alok C, Samhit B, yeah. So these are the answers I received, and I also received Sidhu A, Sarath B, Vanilla D. So I got some answers on the whiteboard. See now, if I am the student, how I am going to solve this? How happily I'll be solving this question. Now, yeah. Okay, last year also gave me some answer as C. Now see, if I'm the student, how I'm going to solve this question? First, let me explain you the concept and then let me solve. Whenever I have exponential functions in the questions, definitely get one question based on the exponential word problems. So how to solve this is always plug in. When I say plug in, you'll understand. In 1 second, you'll understand what is the meaning of plug in. If I see this question, a TV channel currently has 3000 subscribers. If the number of subscribers doubles every 3 months, initially, which of the following function P gives the number of subscribers TV channel will have T years from now? In T years from now, how many subscribers it will have? So now how many subscribers the TV channel has? 3000. When T equal to 0, initially P of T is the output, or Y of T, G of T has how many subscribers? 3000. When T is equal to 3 months, but T is in years, so you need to be careful with the units and conversion. This is where they try to confuse us. When T is equal to 1 by 4, because they gave in years, 3 months is same as 1 by 4th of an year. So the population will be how much? The number of subscribers doubles, so it becomes 6000. When T equal to 6 months, I always wanted to use plugging in. I'm explaining what is the meaning of plugging in, which is half an year. P of T is 12,000. So now I'll try to plug in T equal to 0. So if I plug in T equal to 0, 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 I should get 3000. If I plug in T equal to 0, I should get 3000. So put T equal to 0 and see where you get 3000. So 3000 to the power of 0 is 1. So you get 2 as the answer. So wrong answer. Put t equal to 0. 2 power 0 is 1. So you get 3000. So you should not hurry up and mark this as the answer. This can be answer. But if you make sure that this is the answer, this might not be. If you put t equal to 0, 3000. This also can be answer. If I put t equal to 0, I get 3000. Only one option got eliminated. Now I put t equal to 1 by 4. When I put t equal to 1 by 4, I should get 6000. So now option A is gone. I'll never concentrate on option A because it is not going to help me in any way. Now I'll see for option B. So 3000 into 2 power 1 by 4 is my option B, which is not 6000. Now I see option C, 3000 into 2 to the power of 4 into 1 by 4, 4 katam. 3000 into 2 is 6000. So it can be an answer. Might be correct. If I look option D, 3000 into, again, don't mark it, 1 by 16, which is not 6000. So the only option where I'm getting 6000 is C for Chennai. So C for Chennai should be my answer. Correct, right? So whenever you get exponential function word problems, please don't use your brain. The moment you use your brain, pakka, you'll go wrong. What you should do, you should use plugging in. What is the meaning of plugging in? Whatever I said right now. When t equal to 0, initial population P of t is 3000. When t equal to 3 months, but they gave in years, you need to be careful with the conversion. If you are not careful with the conversion, again you'll go wrong. 3 months is same as 1 by 4. You should not plug in 3. If you plug in 3, you'll get different answer. You should plug in 1 by 4. The moment you plug in 1 by 4, you should get 6000. See, plug in 1 by 4 and see where you get 6000. I'm getting 1 by 4 equal to 6000 in option C. So C for Chennai is my answer. Hope everyone understood. You just need to use plugging in for this question. That's it. Now let us see how well you understood this question. Let me give some 2 or 3 questions based on this, so that I'll come to know how well you understood. But read the question carefully, what they are asking for. Yeah, try to solve 16th question and give me answer. 16th is same as whatever I am explaining. It is an exponential word problem. 16th is an 12th question is, sorry, 12th question is an exponential word problem. Try to solve this 12th one. A radioactive substance decays at the rate of 16%. If the initial amount of the substance is 500 grams, which of the following functions P models the remaining amount of substance in grams t years later? Read the question, plugging in the values. Definitely you'll get the answer without any confusion, and you'll be able to solve in less time. Both the things will work here. Very good. Abhinav gave me some answer. I'm not sure. The initial amount of substance, which of the following function remaining amount of substance 3 years later. Okay. Alok also gave me answer. Siri gave me answer. Sunil also gave me her answer. Viram gave me answer. Likit gave his answer. Okay. See now how to solve this. If I'm the student, how I'm going to approach in the exam and how I'm going to solve. Simple here. Again, I'm telling you, if you don't understand, I'll upload this video, watch again and again, you'll become perfect. You blindly follow me, I can assure you, you'll get 800. Pakka, you'll get 800, because I'm going to cover all the models they're going to give in the exam. Not only I'm going to cover the best way to solve questions. Even if you're a non-math student, if you listen to me carefully, you'll be able to understand what I'm doing here. Now, what I need to do here, initially when t equal to 0, amount is P of t should be equal to 500 grams. Initially, how much is the remaining amount? You should be careful with the English. He's not asking how much is getting expired or how much is vanishing, how much decays. He's asking how much remains. Now, when t is equal to substance decays the system with initial amount of substance is 500, the following function is remaining amount of substance t years later. So after 1 year, what should be the substance? It will decay by 16%. So 500 minus 16% of 500. I'll take 500 common. 1 minus 16 by 100 is 0.16, which is same as 500 into 0.84. So I should get 500 into 0.8. When I put t equal to 0, I should get 500. When I put t equal to 1, I should get 500 into 0.84. So put t equal to 0, 500, b is wrong, 500, d is wrong. If anyone is giving me b and d as answer, I'll beat them. Definitely, yeah. Because no one should mark b and d as answer. It's so simple that b and d are wrong options. Now I got stuck between A and C. Now I'll put t equal to 1. When I put t equal to 1, option A is 500 into 0.16. Option C is 500 into 0.84. I need 500 into 0.84. So happily my answer should be C for Chennai should be my answer. Pakka 100% answer should be C for Chennai should be my answer. Okay? Yeah. Hope everyone understood this. Perfect. Now, next question. I'll give you more questions. Practice more, you'll become perfect. Just use the plugging in and read the question that they have been asking of. See the 14th question. The zookeeper estimates the animals in the zoo will decrease by 14% every 15 years. Don't get confused. Just write the information is giving and use the plugging in rule I told you. You'll definitely able to solve this. The SAT question paper setters are generally will be so smart. They'll give reason for everything. So they're telling why the animals in the zoo will decrease because of climate change. It seems very good. If the present animal count in the zoo is 70,000, which of the following expression represents the estimated population of zoo T years from now? Which of the following represents the estimated population of zoo T years from now? You try to give me answer. If not, I'll explain you how to solve this. Use the plugging in. Everyone should attempt and give me answer. People are trying good. Wendell and Alok gave me answer. They gave different answers. Amit gave me answer. Abhinav gave me answer. Mahi gave me answer. Abhinam. Even others, just give me answer here fast. Okay. A zookeeper estimates that the animals in the zoo will decrease by 14% for every 15 years. If the present animal count in the zoo is 70,000, which of the estimates the following expression? So when t equal to 0, population should be 70,000. Estimated population to T years from now. After 15 years, when t equal to 15, population should be 70,000 minus 14% of 70,000. Take 70,000 common. 1 minus 0.14. 70,000 into 0.86. That should be my answer. When t equal to 15. Now I put t equal to 0, I get 70,000, 70,000. Every option is 70,000, so no use with this. Now put t equal to 15. If I put t equal to 15, I'm not getting 70,000 into 0.86. I'm getting 70,000 into 0.14 into 225. I'm getting 70,000 into 0.14. 70,000 into 0.86 to the power of 225. 70,000 into 0.86. Yes. So the option where I'm getting 70,000 into 0.86 is D for Delhi. So D for Delhi should be my answer. 100% perfect answer and clear answer. Next is last question for the day. I need to explain more concepts in this. I'll explain the next class. They'll take a lot of time. I need to explain you what is exponential increasing function. We also need to discuss what is the meaning of an exponential decreasing function. Scatter plot, exponential functions we need to discuss, and compound interest. So we need to discuss these concepts. I'll discuss in the next class. Now just solve question number 20 here. Last question for the day. Please be active and type your answer in the chat box. Whatever you feel like, just type your answer in the chat box. Director of a company predicts that the profit of his company will double in size for every 5 years. The profit at the beginning of 2019 was estimated to be $25,000. If P represents the profit n years after 2019, then which of the following equation represents the company profit over time? Will double in size, not triple in size, will double in size for every 5 years. Okay, so very good. People have 10 students have given me answer. I'm not sure. Samit, Divya, Vanilla. Okay, Likit, Abhinav, Alok. So people have been typing answers. Sarath, Abhiram. Okay, last year. Okay, if people have given me some answers, see, I follow the same rule. What I'm explaining, I'll do that always. So I'll use the plugging in. So when t equal to 0, it should be 25,000. And it doubles for every 5 years. So when t equal to 5, it should be 50,000. So put t equal to 0 or n, t is same as n here. Put n is equal to 0, 25,000 meaningless. Put n is equal to 0, yes, 25,000. Put n is equal to 0, no 25,000. Put n equal to 0, yes, 25,000. So two options are left. Now put n is equal to 5, I should get 50,000. When I put n is equal to 5, I don't get 50,000. When I put n is equal to 5 in option D, 25,000 into 2 power 5 by 5, which is 25,000 into 2, which is 50,000. So answer for this question should be B for Bangalore should be my answer. Simple. You need to follow up, be regular to classes, follow what I'm teaching, implement them, you'll get good scores. Okay. Yeah. After this class, I'll upload this video. Just who could not understand, just watch again and again. I'll see you in next class. When I see next class, I'll explain all the concepts that are missed in this exponential function. Okay. Take care till then. Bye. Yeah.